my recent video, I demonstrated how to add a checkbox beside a user with which you can have the submission date being populated automatically on Google Sheet. However, someone inquired whether this functionality can also be achieved in Excel. Well, it is doable, and it's going to look something like this. And this is how you do it. First, let's drop in a series of checkboxes in here. The first thing to do is to go to Developer tab. If your Developer tab is not available, right-click anywhere on the ribbon here and click on Customize the ribbon. You should come up with Excel option here like this. Make sure there's a check in your Developer tab here, or rather the Developer checkbox, and click OK. Once that's done, your Developer tab should be available. Next, you go to Control, Insert, and under Form Controls, click on Checkbox and drop it somewhere near cell B2 like this. Once that's done, let's right-click on the checkbox, go Edit Text, and press the Delete key a few times to get rid of the text next to the checkbox. And after that, select any cell to navigate out of the checkbox. Next, you're going to populate the checkbox to all the rows. Select cell B2 and drag this handle all the way down, and this will populate all the rows with the checkbox. Next, we're going to add a VBA code. Right-click on this on your sheet here, View Code. This is your VBA Editor. Right-click on the module, Insert, Module. You should see a brand new module that comes up here. And after that, paste the VBA script. You can take a screenshot right now. Alternatively, leave a comment asking for the VBA code, and I'll send it to you right away. Once that's done, let's save it, or Ctrl+S to save it, and close the VBA Editor. Now you're going to have to associate the checkbox with the macro that you just created. Instead of doing one at a time like this, that's a better way to do it. Go to Home, Find and Select, Selection Panel. Select any checkbox on the selection window here, like this, and then press Ctrl+A, and that will help you select all the checkbox right away. Let's close the selection window here, and right-click any of this checkbox. I'm going to right-click this guy here, and you're going to say Assign Macro. Next, you'll see Assign Macro window coming up. Select the macro that you just created, the VBA macro, and click on OK, and click anywhere outside the cell. Now, if you place a check marks next to any of this cell, you can see that the date get populated right away.